Prajyot, you've almost answered it there in that response, but I've got to note down, how do you keep developing and keep improving and continue to move forward at Druck? Essentially, what's next for you?
So in terms of the solutions that we develop, and Druck has been, it's well known for producing sensors, test and cal instruments, which Mike kind of highlighted throughout the session. So what we want to go and do is we want to look at the changing market needs, where is the market going? And that could be driven by various factors. It could be regulations, it could be changes in technology, like hydrogen is one emerging area, and that's one of the reasons we are talking about hydrogen a lot. And that is the prime source that we take in. So look at the trends and see how we can adapt to those trends. Now, the answer is, again, it's not, it could be a sensor, it could be solution, it could be software, it could be something else. So it's about keeping your eyes open really to these trends. Also, our customers are, again, there are most valuable source of information because they give us valuable feedback on our products. Druck technology has been out there for many years now, so we have had first generation, second generation, third generation product in some cases, whereby customers know what to expect in terms of the products, the quality, performance, and that sort of drives together into our strategy in terms of what we are going to do in coming years time. But it's all a collective approach. There are also other factors like regulatory aspects, where changing regulations and dynamics in different regions as well is something which we keep an eye for. And that means, that would feed into our strategy in terms of what we strive to do in the next 3 years, 5 years, and down the line. So it's sort of a mixed approach there, really. And in terms of specifically software solutions, what we look at in terms of, the digital technologies is what we call it. We try and upgrade to what is currently available. And just to give you a little bit of an example is, if you look at storage as a sort of example, initially we used to show data on like sort of hard disk, circular disks. Now it's gone down to a memory card. So technologies change very fast, and same applies to software. Changes in software world happen very fast. Now you have something else. In months' time, you will become on a completely different technology. So one of the key challenges we have is always to stay ahead. Stay on top of these updates, stay relevant, at the same time stay on the latest that's there on the market. So that is a constant struggle within Druck.